Hello, and welcome to the Lesson 1 module, What is Meth? Before you get started, we'll need to get the Parent Authorization Release form signed so that you can get started. First, scroll down and click on the pink icon for the file download, or click on the text next to it. Once you open it, you'll be given instructions to please download this document, fill it out, save it, and then resubmit it. So, first things first is to click to download the document. If you're using Google Chrome, the download button will pop up in the top right. You can then click on the document. You have your parents fill it out. Then you're going to download the file again, but with the changes that you've made. You select with your changes. You find a location to save it. Then you return back to the course and you add your submission. You'll need to download the file by clicking the plus add button on the left side of the file submission screen. Then click Upload a File. Then click Choose File. I like to find it through the Quick Access button here. Then you upload the file. Alright. Now you can return back to the course. You've now been given credit for viewing and making the file submission. From there, you can move on throughout the course.
If I was given the chance